Hello, this is Henry, and I would like to share my trades from today. First up, we have LUV. LUV I observed putting in a level at 36.60 here on the 15 minute at 8:45 and again here at 9:15. Get a bit of indecision before selling off here at the open, and at 10:15 I noticed a higher low and that LUV was testing this 20 EMA here, which is the light blue line here on the 15-minute chart. Here at the 10:30 candle, we can see that it's pressing into the 20 EMA and looks like it's going to break out and close above it. So I take an entry in two positions here with an average of 36.21 with the stop down here at 36.06. We run into some resistance here at this 15-minute volume point of control, and we get all the way up to, I believe, 36.50. My first profit target was 36.51, and then it fails here in this 10:45 candle, and I take an exit here before the break even. And if we go up on the 30-minute chart, we'll see this dark blue line is VWAP and came up and gave a false breakout here. Next up, we have MAR. MAR I observed putting in a level here at 98 here on the 15-minute chart here at 10:15 and 10:45. Another thing that I observed about MAR before entry was that it had put in a potential ABCD pattern here. What I didn't like about it is that it consolidated quite a bit of indecision right in here, and the volume profile of these initial candles and the following candles didn't match up very well. Also, we can see there's a 50 SMA pushing up into the price action, which I was hoping that it would actually break down through. And we'll come in closer for the trades. I attempted two trades on MAR. First trade was taken here at 98.07 with a stop back here of 98.27, and I got stopped out on that trade. As I kept watching the price action, I decided to take a second entry here at 98.20 with a stop back here at 98.35. Didn't like the price action as I continued to sit in this for a while, and took an exit here right around about 98.27 again. And last up, we have GOLD. GOLD I observed putting in a level at 26.61 here at 10:45 and again here at 11. And I take a position in GOLD here at 26.81. I believe it's actually 26.81.50, but I just called it 26.81 with the stop up here at 26.87, which is 2 cents above my entry candle here. And I start taking profits out down here at 26.69, 59, 49, 39. We get some pullback here, and we'll see here on the 15-minute it pulls back to this 9 EMA, which is the gray moving average that you can see right here on this chart. And then if we come up to the 60-minute, we can see a better example of selling off, and we'll see here in this candle we get clear consolidation here, and it comes back up and tests this volume point of control here on the 60-minute before making another sell-off here. And we'll come back down to the 15-minute, and we'll see after this consolidation period it starts to sell off. I pick back up, taking partials down here at 29, 19, 09, 25.99, and last partial I was able to take was down here at 25.89. I kept a couple shares on. I got the majority of my position out here, and I just usually will try to leave a few shares on to see if we can get a little further. My next profit target was down here at 25.79 for a break of over the dollar mark from my entry, but it doesn't look like we'll get there today. But those are my trades today. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for checking out my trades, and happy trading.